Hey everybody! I know that I did the eye tutorial yesterday, but since mermaid was super popular, and it did have the second vote, I wanted to go ahead and just show you that eye look. So I did the one eye, so this live won't be as long as yesterday's. And the three colors for the mermaid tutorial are pink opal shimmer, amethyst, and silver violet. Okay. This is, I think, a really fun look. I'm wearing my purple lip shirt, in case you can't see. So it actually goes really cute with my outfit today. And then I'm going to do the unicorn or cotton candy, whichever way you want to do it, ombre lip. Okay. So I just kind of, you can use your finger. Now when you're using a shimmer shadow sense, it's better to pat than to wipe, like swipe it, or like, you know what I mean? Like instead of using a brush and like blending it in, you can still use a brush to pat it in, but it's better to like pat to spread your shadow sense and to blend the shimmer colors than it is to blend them like that. Okay, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense to everybody. And then I'm kind of taking this shimmer color and I'm going to kind of go under my eye with it. Don't poke yourself in the eye. You don't want to do that. Okay. Okay, so that's where you start with the pink opal shimmer. You go all the way up to your brow bone. Okay, and then next is amethyst. And what I did is I just kind of did amethyst on like half my lid. So I'm going to do that. I wiped off the excess color and I'm just kind of patting it on there. And I did use my fluffy little blendy brush to kind of, is that the wrong brush? I don't think that's the brush I used. This is the brush I used. I grabbed my angle brush and I just kind of, sorry, I got to kind of look off for a second in my big mirror because it's, again, sometimes it's hard to see. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit more of the amethyst. Amethyst is a really pretty purple. Right now it's the darkest purple that we have. So again, I'm just going to dot a little extra on, and just kind of pat it in there. Pat it in my crease. Pat it on my lid, into my corner, like so. So just kind of dabbing it to blend it in because I don't want it to go over my entire lid. I just want it to go over part of my lid, like half of it. Okay, I think that's dark enough. Okay, then we switch to our silver violet. And then I use my pointy little blendy brush for this. Okay, again, wipe off all of our excess. There's like a lot of excess that comes off with shadow sense and for this, and I kind of bring it over a little because I want it to kind of go in like so. And then again, I just kind of take this brush and just kind of blend it in real light. I'll go over this again too, probably a little, darken it up a little bit. And again, this is just one way to do this. You can, if you want to, you could kind of do this look how I did the one yesterday where you do the amethyst like kind of all in your crease and then do the silver violet underneath. You could do, if you wanted to go with a darker color on the inside, you could. So it's all about just kind of playing around with your shadow and your colors and see how you want everything to end up. Like so. Okay, they look pretty even. What do you think? Wish somebody was on that could give me a thumbs up. But, ta-da! Okay, that's simple. And then I just added, not added, but for liner, I used Ocean, which is one of our limited edition shimmer eyeliners that we have. We have three. We have Gilded, we have Starry Sky, and we have Shimmer. So this is like the blue, and or I'm sorry, Ocean. And I figured since this is mermaid eye that Ocean liner was pretty fitting. because, you know, mermaid, ocean, fish. Okay, so then our liquid liners are just super easy. Don't be intimidated by liquid liner. I was at first. And these are like super, super forgiving. So like if you mess up, you can just take like a Q-tip or a baby wipe and just wipe it right off. Okay. And then if you want to do the little wing, like I kind of have one going on here. Again, I'm still practicing my wing. Oh, babe, you're back in! Yay! How did you get back on? My husband's like locked out of Facebook for 2 days. I'm doing. How you doing?
Mommy, what did you do there?
What did I do? What? Okay, so there we go. So we've got our
Hi.
winged liner.
Hi.
You say hi. This is so. You can't see Sophie because she's off camera right now, but she's standing right next to it.
Hi.
You say hi, Sophie. Watch out, baby girl. My mama finished. Okay, and I didn't do my mascara yet on my other eye. I just did my brow.
What can I see?
So I'm just kind of Oh, sorry, I moved you guys. Okay, so I'm not even going to go all the way underneath my eye with the liner. I'm just going to.
Hi.
Yeah, Sophie, honey, I'm using my phone as my mirror though, so you kind of blacken me.
I'm
Watch out.
get up.
So I just need to go kind of halfway. Okay, and then ta-da! And I just did. I have to do my mascara still,
Can I sit on this side?
and my eyebrows.
Mommy,
So that is that's yours. Your hippo. Watch my glasses. Okay, so that is how you do the mermaid look. Eye look. Like I said, you'll want to finish up with your mascara and your brows if you do that. But there you have it. So I just wanted to hop on really quick to show you guys that look since it was super popular and it was a second vote. I will post a picture later with the finished look with the ombre lip. And if you want a tutorial of the ombre lip, just comment below and I will be more than happy tomorrow to do a tutorial on an ombre lip. But it's super simple. I did one I think a few weeks ago. So there you have it. I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you're watching this on replay, please just comment replay so I know that you're not watching it live, and I want to make sure I get your comments and questions that you have. But that's about it. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.